We love reading.
I am studying 9th class in Jackie School, Kumarpura, Pitavimandal, Kakinada district, Andhra Pradesh.
Hi, my name is Gangadhar. I am studying 9th class.
Hi, my name is Dilip Kumar. I am studying 9th class.
Hi, my name is Agnes. I am studying 9th class.
Hi, my name is Adi Kumar. I am studying 9th class.
Hi, my name is Bhagat. I am studying 9th class.
Now we are performing a skit. Name of the skit, Unity is Strength. My role is a father.
My role is a son.
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 My role is a survey.
Good morning, my dear sons.
Good
Good morning, Father.
What are you doing, children? Ramu,
Yes, Dad.
you go to the current office.
Okay, Dad.
Ravi,
Yes, Dad.
you go to the net center.
Okay, Dad.
Ramu,
Yes, Dad.
you go to the chicken center.
Yes, Dad.
Giri,
Yes, Dad.
you go to the net center.
Okay, Dad.
Hey, don't fight, don't fight, don't fight. Ayyo, not to quarrel with one another. Rangaya, oh Rangaya, come here and bring a bundle of sticks.
Dilip sir.
Ramu,
Yes,
you
Dad.
take it and break it.
Oh no, I can't break it, Dad.
Ravi, you take it and break it.
Oh no, it's very hard. I can't do it.
Hari, you take it and break it.
It's difficult to break it, Dad.
Giri, you take it and break it.
Oh no, I can't break it.
Rangaya hunted a bundle of sticks.
Okay, sir.
My dear sons, all of you take one stick and break it.
Easily broken, Father.
My dear sons, if you are united, no one can do anything. So, my dear sons, not to fight with one another, be united. Unity stands united, we stand divided we fall.
Okay, Father. We are united.
Thank you.
Once a farmer had 4 grown-up sons. They always quarreled among themselves. Their father advised them to live in peace, but it had no effect on them. He was worried about their future. One day the farmer fell seriously ill. He sent for his sons. He asked them to collect a handful of sticks, which they did at once. He tied the sticks into a bundle. Now, he asked them to break the bundle one by one. They tried hard to break it, but none could. At last, the farmer untied the bundle and asked each of them to break each stick. They did so quite easily. Their father said, "My dear sons, you could not break the sticks as long as they remained tied together, but you broke each single stick quite easily." They were strong in bundle, but became weak when separated from one another. Never forget that united we stand and divided we fall. This had a deep effect on the farmer's sons. They gave up quarreling and began to live in peace. Moral: united we stand and divided we fall.
Please like, share and subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe.